Dumela, welcome back to Setswana class. I'm speaking so low today because my son is sleeping and I don't want to wake him up. So, anyway, ignore that. I have officially taken my kids' play area to teach you guys Setswana because I don't really have much time. The letter that we're going to learn today is the letter R. Hopefully that, yeah, R, R. Depending on where you are in the world, this letter changes its sound. So in America, it sounds like ah, 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 ah. Anyway, I'm just making jokes. But yeah, how does this letter sound in Setswana? Setswana, it doesn't exactly sound how it does in Spanish, where it goes like you have to roll it a little bit. Ronaldo, Roberto. No, it doesn't. It's not as intense as that. It does roll, but um, just a little bit. For example, let's say a word rona, which means us, rona, rona. It just like, it doesn't say rona, rona. It just says rona, 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 rona. It does have that a little bit of a r, but it's not like a longer. Wow, teaching this is not as easy as I thought. So rona, rona. What's the other word that we can learn from the letter R? In Setswana, R sometimes goes like that. You have found two R, two R's, and they don't they don't they don't even roll even when they don't roll like that. It's just like how in English it's not as intense. It's just like that in Setswana. Um, ra, raron, raron. I guess it does have like there's two R's in the same place goes a little bit longer than it goes when it's on its own. Raron, ra. This is translate to Mr. Ra. Um, or re, re, Mr. Mr. Re, it can also translate to Mr. or dad. Re, you can say re referring to your dad. Um, you can say ra also referring to, let's say when you say ra, ra e. Right, so for those of you who are Christians, this will be like our Father. Our Father, our Father who art in heaven. Yes. Right. So, ra. So, I guess it does have a little bit of a roll in there, but don't be too extreme with the rolls. Um, yeah. Hey, what's other Setswana example that has R? Rama, which is like to cut using an X, cut using an X, Rama. Or the easiest one, rag. Most of the products that are made in Botswana or packaged in Botswana, you'll find them have reka Botswana. The full sentence. Reka Botswana. Those are A's, by the way. I know they don't look good, but anyway, okay. And this is a K. I'm not a professional teacher, so Reka Botswana is buy Botswana. Reka means buy. Let me just make it smaller here. Reka, buy Botswana. Buy Botswana, or you can say Reka mo Botswana, which is like buy in Botswana. Buy in Botswana. Reka mo Botswana. Reka ditlhako. Yeah, just buy. Reka ditlhako. Reka ditlhako. This other letter we learned. Wow, my case are always. Let's try to fix that. Reka ditlhako. Buy shoes. Okay, buy shoes. I think that's it. Now you know how the letter R sound in Setswana. So it's a bit tricky if you are learning Setswana and you are an English speaker, because it's not like in other languages where the letters are different or something. Like, for example, Arabic, they have their own symbols and stuff, but it looks like it's a letter in English, and it does have some kind of related things that it sounds like to English, but it has its own way of sounding, if that makes sense. So, in order for you to speak proper Setswana, forget how it sounds in English, and just go ahead and learn it in Setswana. Until we meet again next time, have a great day. Merry Christmas.